That's right, I am back with another video for you guys today, and I am extremely excited because honestly I have missed it so much. I've missed YouTube. I've been taking a break because college, and I was home for vacation with my family, but I really missed it, and I don't know, I just had to go back. I'm kind of upset though because my laptop isn't connecting with my phone, so I can't edit the video on my laptop on my good editing software like I usually do. So I have to actually edit this video on the phone on the iMovie app. So yeah, I'm gonna be limited to what I can edit, but if the video sucks with editing, I'm sorry, like, I'm doing it on my phone. So but if you like the editing, just know you can do this kind of editing right on your phone. But before we get started here, you already know we gotta get our Chick-fil-A. So let's roll the montage. Now, it is the time we've all been waiting for. I didn't have somebody to throw it to me, so I used myself. We are going to attempt to drink this whole entire 2 liter of Mountain Dew without burping. And if I burp, I lose. So. Let's do this. All right. Taking it slow. That's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna take it slow. I might speed up some of these parts, just to forewarn you. This really doesn't taste good. It's warm. I lost. Shit. Alright. Well, that's how far I can get without burping. 2 sips. 2 sips. Part of me, not gonna lie, kinda glad that I lost because I did not want to drink this entire thing. So if y'all got clickbaited, I'm sorry, but there is no way I was gonna be able to drink this whole thing without burping. I already knew from the start. That was a miserable fail. A miserable fail. But if you guys liked the video, I sure hope that you subscribe and hit the like button. Leave a comment down below. Yeah, you can make fun of me about how much I can't drink soda without burping. Go ahead, I don't care. It's just, I don't really care. I drink more water than soda. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure if you are new to the channel, you are subscribed and turn the notification bell on so you get notified every time I do upload a video. But I think that ends it for today's video, guys. Peace out.